Hey guys, it is just Wario. I'm gonna show you how you can send emails to multiple people at once here in Gmail. So you wanna hit on the compose button, then over here at the top where it says to, you wanna write the email addresses of those who you want to send an email to. So it's actually just very simple. Just go ahead and write all of the emails that you want to send an email to. So I'm going to go ahead and write another one. So as you can see, I was actually able to put 2 email addresses here. So there's actually no limit to how many email addresses that you can put. Then after you're done doing that and you've composed your message, you just hit on send. And you won't have to send it to them one by one because it will automatically send it to everyone at once. So hope it helps. Thanks for watching.